Okay. Magandang gabi eh.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.
Yeah. Ay wait, patahimikin mo muna si Lavi. Para fade out. Hinaan mo lang super. Hina. Gigol, play mo lang siya pero hinaan mo lang super. Yan. Yan. Okay, it's mamaya na ulit. So, let's greet first. 1, 2, 3.
Hello po!
We are
Horizon!
And we are taking over JBL's account. Yes. We have hacked it successfully.
The hacker is Marcus.
Yes,
Yeah.
I hacked into their database.
Oh, you're
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Putol. Nag-ano siya? He has a monitor in his room. And we were cracking the password. Can you guys guess what the password is? Please type in your
Yes.
what the password
If
is.
you get it right,
We will blink 5 times
Yeah.
if you get it right.
Yeah. Blink 5 times.
Yes, we will blink 5 times. But how are you guys doing? We're almost gonna meet soon again.
Yeah!
Excited na kami ulit makakita kayo, guys.
Yeah, syempre lagi kaming excited and looking forward to perform in front of you guys, and not just perform but also interact with you guys. And but now mag-ano lang tayo,
Have fun.
chill lang.
Chill.
Bago
Chill
kasi
lang.
feeling ko marami nang di makatulog no, siguro kasi excited sila for what day is it?
It's
Monday.
Yun tayo eh. Hindi niya lagi alam eh. Kaya dapat talaga tinetesting muna to.
Nalulod din pa.
It's December 9, Monday.
No! Like, what are we all waiting for?
December 14.
14, yeah.
Yeah, December 14.
What
at
day is
the-
December 14?
Sunday?
If today is a Monday, and today is 9, then 9
It's Saturday.
I'm so good.
You're so good. How about you, Rayster? Are you going to tell something?
Yes.
What?
Where will we be doing the JBL Sound Fest?
2024.
I asked the wrong people. Let me reiterate. When will we be doing the JBL Sound Fest?
December 14 at SM.
And then Winston, where will we be doing the SM?
At MOA Arena.
Yes.
What? It's not.
Yeah.
It's not in MOA Arena.
Where?
It's on MOA Concert Grounds.
Yeah.
Arena?
See, this is why we're also doing this live, because a lot of people wasn't there when we did a meeting.
Hindi, sa totoo lang, sinecheck namin kung alam nyo din.
Kaya
So, anong password?
Kaya nagpakamali ako.
Good job.
Kaya,
Ayun guys, may
gusto ko mag-comment
nagtatype
kayo.
na ng mga
Mag-type
password.
Ano yung
Kung
password
saan talaga
daw? May nagtama na ba sa password?
May nakita ko kanina sabi King Pogi 17 years old.
King Pogi 17.
Ayaw King What ng Pogi 17.
Wala pa akong tulog.
Wala pa akong tulog.
Kyler, ang pogi mo sobra. Thank you po.
Siya rin Salamat po for here po. Yes, dahil ikaw yun.
Speaking
Love
on
you.
behalf of Kyler.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. You guys excited?
JBL,
Who's gonna go sa
Yes. Please
JBL
spam
Sound?
the heart.
Yeah, spam heart
Heart.
Dito.
and send 500 pesos Gcash.
What?
Saan Gcash to 09?
D@R lit to 2N.
Binchi ang pogi mo.
Yay!
Thank you po.
Okay, sige, maghanap pa kayo ng pogi mo, tapos kayo din yung mag-thank you para sa iba.
Dare to listen yung password.
Dare to listen. Okay, blink 5 times. Joke lang.
Blink 5
Biglang trinay nila, no?
Tama.
Biglang, mamaya inattempt nilang i-log in yung JBL account. Tapos nagugulan sila sa JBL. Ano? Nahak na tayo talaga. Horizon, I love you. Thank you.
Love you guys.
But, I know you guys are, I know you guys got some JBL products to get your ticket, so you should share.
Yes.
Comment down below.
Pero guys, kung
I have.
kung magkakaroon kayo ng JBL products, anong gusto nyo kunin? Type nyo.
Hindi nyo
Comment
alam.
down, guys.
Natupad yung mga wish nyo.
What did you get? Kasi we just wanna know. We wanna know what you
Password, mahal ko kayo. Hey!
Thank you po. JBL penging pera. Tangkad na ni Jerome Lee.
Yeah.
Jerome, you are so
Hey.
tall.
Thank you po.
Ba't parang iba yung nagtitake sa atin?
Magiging ang si...
Oh, yun yung concept natin today.
Palit-palit yung pangalan daw.
Magiging si Nicky na si Jiro.
Yes.
Mickey
Yes.
Mouse.
Oh, you bought. Someone bought the Horizon 2. It's the one na may clock.
Yeah.
Yeah,
JBL
like,
Horizon.
yeah, even
Wow.
before JBL and Horizon was a thing, they already had a product called a Horizon speaker clock. Yeah. And
Yeah,
It's Syra.
We actually got to use it.
so I
many
think it's
times
meant to
before.
be that JBL
Was
and
always,
Horizon.
always together.
Exactly.
Oh, I use it.
Right?
Yeah, we used it in the hotel. What
Yeah.
are you talking about?
Do you know? Okay.
Oh no.
Oh,
no.
Oh no!
Meron din
Meron
yung iba.
Meron
No!
Meron
Wave buds
ako wave buds too.
Ay, wow!
Congratulations.
Akin live beam free.
Yeah.
Sa akin,
Parehas
Live
na.
beam.
Live.
Favorite ko talaga guys yung live beams.
Ako din.
Kasi may siya,
Ay,
may
buds
pang
pala
grip
sa
siya
akin.
sa tega.
Buds.
Like si...
Nawala yung ba si Jiro? Sino daw magbibigay sa kanya?
Oo nga. Nawawala lang kasi yung left bud ko.
Sino magbibigay? Ako yung lang right bag ko lang yung nawawala.
Sino yung magbibigay sa amin?
May magbibigay ba sa amin ng isang piraso?
Kahit isang piraso lang.
Ano pag nagbigay nga sila ng isang piraso?
Sa JBL Soundfest, no? Oh, ito na yung JBL,
Gaganahan ako mag. No. Ganda ng billboard nyo guys.
Nakita namin kahapon.
Oh guys, thank you.
Paano sabi natin?
Sabi namin ka to, wait, kunyari yun yung billboard. Kung gumagano na, 1, 2, 3, go.
Uy, sino yung tagahawak ng phone kahapon?
Si Gio.
Ako.
Dapat ikaw yung gumaganan tapos bigyan.
Ako nag-story
Oo
nga
nga
din.
para
Eh, nag-video.
Pero thank you, Ninang GBL. We
Thank
love
you,
you.
thank you.
Thank
Love
you so
you,
much
JBL.
guys.
My God.
Love you all.
And that's already our second one.
Yeah.
Kasi yung first natin last month was the digital billboard.
Yeah.
And this one, there's a physical billboard. Iiyak na lang ako. Kasi sobrang, never namin na-imagine. First natin yun, di ba? First natin talagang,
Yeah, like
first natin yung official talagang billboard.
Congratulations,
Congratulations
Horizon.
for us.
Thank you, JBL.
Congratulations.
JBL Pablo, thank you.
Thank you po. Sana po nandun po yun for 5 years. Para, walang pupas.
Yes.
Nandun lang siya hanggang mag-fade away.
Stay strong.
Yes. Guys, pupunta
Hanggang
ba kayo
mawala yung
sa
mga pupa.
Soundfest? Let's see. Comment if you're gonna go.
Yes. Say what word should they say? Dare to
You should say...
There to listen.
Yes, dare to listen.
Dare to listen. If you're going to the JBL Soundfest, type in dare to listen.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's see.
Sino ba? Sino daw to? Si
Say-
Ara
Ara.
_ 15
ZDM.
ZDM. See you sa
14.
14.
December 14. Yes, dare to listen. Dare to listen. Wow, some
Yeah.
people are coming.
Guys,
Guys,
to listen.
if you guys want to go, because when is it? Until when can you buy?
Oh yeah, because you can all still get the tickets until 12 noon ng day itself, ng
Yeah.
December
Yeah.
14. Until 12 noon. So, kung magbubukas ang mall and you're going to buy a JBL product, sa mga mall 10,
Yeah.
11. So, you only have that much on the day itself.
So we do not actually recommend you guys
Yeah.
buy. On
You should
day
get
of.
it now.
You get it now,
Go
and
to a mall, get
maybe
it now.
latest is like a day before.
Yeah.
Just don't do it on the day
Yeah,
itself. It's
baka
gonna be hard.
ma-stress kayo.
Yeah.
Kasi-
Pero, so the way you can get your JBL Soundfest pass is by participating JBL products.
Yes.
And you gotta like send a proof and like upload the photo and everything. It's at jblpromo.com.ph.
Yes.
And then you can get your pass and you can go to Soundfest
True.
December 14.
Yeah. Until 12 noon is the last, but
Yeah,
we
it's
don't
last
recommend
last.
it.
Yeah.
You should, if you want to go and you want to come, because there's going to be a lot of things that's gonna be happening in cooking. We are cooking for you guys.
Yes.
And not just us, there's also other artists as well who are going to be there. And marami ding other activities naman. Kaya it's going to be a fun-filled day that I hope you guys are looking forward to December 14. And the gates open! Gates open 3 p.m. 3 p.m.
Yeah.
3 p.m.
Yes.
3 p.m. Gates are open and you guys can enjoy and already start the party.
Yeah.
That early.
Yay.
Yeah.
Wala, may nagsabi dito, finance ko niyan pero hahabol ako para papanood ko kayo.
Thank you.
Thank you po,
Prince
Ate Cole.
Cole.
Wow.
Pati si Christine Water. Christine Water.
Hello po. And sa mga pupunta, dapat, pwede din sila magdala ng umbrella, di ba?
Yeah.
Oo.
Maulan na din.
Yeah,
Maulan.
today nga maulan dito eh. Nasa Pilipinas kami
Maulan
ngayon,
sa
by the way,
Pilipinas.
guys. Wala kami sa Korea.
Gulat nga tayo kahapon di ba? Nung
Yeah.
papuntang
Kasi when we're in Korea, hindi naman super tagaktak yung ulan. Like,
Malamig lang
ambon
talaga.
lang, gano'n. Pero kahapon lang ulit kami nakita ng grabe yung ulan. Kaya I hope everyone's...
Pero favorite ko talaga yung rainy seasons.
Yeah.
Pero kapag nag-uulan, parang nalulungkot ako. Feel ko mag-isa ako.
Ako masaya.
Meron ganun eh.
Ako feel na feel ko. Kasi
Ako eh.
nagpe-play ako with my JBL headphones, with my JBL speaker, ng sad songs, tapos feel na feel kong sad boy. You know?
Aww, sad boy.
Sad boy!
Inaantok, tapos nagpapatugtog din yung JBL ng pampatulog siya.
Lahat tayo may speaker, no?
Yes.
Yeah!
Ano yung sa inyo?
Okay. Sa'yo?
Charge yung...
Go
Sa akin yung
for.
go for.
Go for it.
Yeah.
Charge 5 yung akin.
Yeah,
Same.
same.
Charge
Sa akin,
5.
Charge.
Tapos yung charge 5, kasi nga, sino may charge 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Pwede nyo siyang i-connect lahat up to like 100 or like unlimited. I'm not even sure.
Nag-fusion sila, guys.
Yeah, they can be the whole Soundfest.
Yes.
Maganda talaga siya.
Yeah. Pero pinili ko yung Go kasi lagi akong nag-speaker sa shower.
Ang cute nga.
Yeah, same.
Waterproof din.
Same.
Yeah.
Oo.
Kaya masaya
Bakit?
makinig.
Bakit?
Daming
speaker.
sige, minsan naman daming speaker. May ano pa siya, yung Dixon.
Eh, yung akin.
Bakit dalawa?
Hindi, isa lang nga.
JBL.
Hindi nakakaiba yung, ang galing kasi sila apat pare-pareho charge, tapos yung sa inyo, same kayo.
Ay,
Sa akin lang yung nakakaiba.
Parehas
Hindi
kami
pa ako.
ni Razer na kulay, tapos sa'yo
Pink.
pink. Sa'yo ay
Red.
Cute yung pink.
Sa akin, green ata, green and
Black, pink,
Yung
red.
something.
And
Black.
Ano kami, guys? Power Ranger.
Power Rangers.
Power Rangers post ulit tayo.
Oo nga.
Power
Go.
Ranger.
Post muna. Mag-ano na tayo, screenshot agad ng maaga para yung mga nandito pa.
Gawin natin yung anchors.
Oo nga. Anchor, paano yan?
Ganito.
Dapat kita yung
Safe
script.
na.
Tapos yung mukha ko yung pinaka ano.
Anchor. Ay, i-straight mo yung... i-ganon mo yung kamay mo, Raster. Yan.
Tapos taas mo pa.
Taas mo yung kamay mo ganon.
Ikaw.
Giro.
Yan.
Hey!
Ano, do your shit?
안녕하세요.
We are...
Anchor!
Sensokso.
Anchor.
진짜 sensokso.
And this has been...
Anchor.
Joke lang.
Hinahapos niyo sa
Kumain na ba kayo, guys?
Ako hindi.
Kung wala
Wala
pa.
pa.
Marami ding food concessionaire sa Soundfest.
Yes.
So if magutom kayo, no problem.
Yes. And also,
Sim
since
guys.
nga 3 p.m. yung like open gate, and then it's gonna be like a long day, baka malobat yung mga cellphone nyo. There will be like charging stations naman there.
See.
So everyone can charge their phones. So that's gonna be fine. So you can camp there. It's fine. Yeah.
But you can also bring your power bank.
You can do that. Yeah.
And bring
True.
bring money for food, of course, pag
Pocket
nagutom.
money.
And yan.
Basta yung umbrella.
Ala,
Payong talaga.
gandang hapon
Sanitizer,
from
pwede
Switzerland.
din.
Hey! Ano dinner nyo? Ask ni Anchor Jen.
Wala pa.
Uy, masarap
Apple.
yung tinola kanina natin.
Green apple yung sa akin.
Green apple.
Green
Sa
apple.
akin, chips.
Apple.
First time yun daw ni Winston
So
makatikim ng
very
green
fresh.
apple.
First time ko yun.
Butag iso.
Nice.
Oh, Toto, magsalita ka naman ng Hangul.
Yay! Hangul, hangul.
Annyeonghaseyo. Honor. Honorin. My love sa'yo. Ay, tama ba?
Mile?
Oh, May, wala akong sabi.
Amay.
Oh, my.
Yeah.
Wow, you're improving.
Wow. Sabi niya guys, wala daw siyang masabi today.
Yeah. Speechless.
Yes, spatial.
You're speechless.
Someone said, suspect challenge OT7.
Oh.
Secret.
Secret. Security.
Secret thing.
Secret. Secret. It's a secret.
See you sa JBL. Greetings from Davao.
Wow.
Wow.
So galing ka pa Davao and then you're going
So
to
you will fly.
Thank
They
you
will
po.
fly.
Thank you.
Love you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Marcus, same tayo ng headphone.
Oh.
Flex it.
Quantum gang. Let's go.
He-
Gamers.
Uses this 24/7.
So I really do. I wonder if it smells.
And it's also,
Hindi naman.
ano diba, wired?
Yeah, you can use it like Type C or like earphone jack or Bluetooth, or you can use the dongle. You can use anything.
Pakita mo pag mukha ka, paano magmukhang director.
Pati pilot.
Okay guys, so
Stage
4.
Stage four.
May ganito siya, oh. Meron siyang lapel dito or something.
May lapel galing.
Okay guys, so now we're gonna fly to Manila.
So you don't use a mic, no? Just that.
Yeah, I just use this.
Yan yung gagamitin mo, di ba, sa 14?
Ididirect mo kami.
Na mic sa stage.
Ah,
So,
sige.
pag nag-perform ka, I can, yeah, I can.
Everything
Good.
is possible.
Everything all at once.
If you
Quantum.
dare to listen.
Good.
To listen.
Oh, no joke. Magkikita na ulit kayo with SB19.
Our SB na
Alam nyo guys, yung Spotify rap ko, yung top song ko is song ni Kuya Josh.
Yeah! Ano nga yun?
Pakiusap lang by Kuya Josh.
Pakiusap na.
Best.
Malapit naman.
Best.
Best of the best.
Best of the best. Grabe.
Team naman.
Superman challenge kayo, Pito.
Superman challenge.
Challenge.
Pito.
Yung sinasabi niyo ba guys, yung yo, now I'm Superman.
Superman.
Magana na gana.
Tapos malakas dapat. Para tumalsik yung
Pero,
tinatapon.
ikaw lang yung agos namin. Walang rotation mangyayari ng Winston lang.
Ako lang, no? Pabalik-balik sa ano.
Dapat marami din kayong energy actually. Kasi magiging ang daming mangyayari sa JBL Soundfest na. From 3 hanggang gabi.
Until the next day.
Yeah.
Hindi kayo
As in,
energy.
festival talaga siya guys. Huwag kayong pupunta dun na walang tulog.
Yes.
Walang kain.
energy,
Totoo,
walang...
totoo.
Yeah, please.
Manghihina kayo dun.
Oo, kailangan maraming energy kasi may mga activities like mga dance,
True.
revo, ganun. Marami pang mangyayari dun. Kaya, wag lang kami ang ipunta nyo. Pumunta din talaga kayo for everything.
For everything.
Yeah.
Kasi there will be bands,
Yeah,
mga
bands.
banda, syempre sila Kuya SB19. Zach.
Feel
So
niyo yung
much.
yung advance Merry Christmas talaga.
Actually, yeah.
True, true.
And huwag niyo kalimutan magdala ng mga tubig, yung mga kailangan talaga.
Let's
Mga
just hope na
essentials.
it doesn't rain that
Yeah.
much. Para hindi tayo lahat mahirapan and everyone stays dry until the end. So yeah. But see you there sa 14. We're very excited.
Yes.
Yeah.
See you very soon.
Pag-great kay Kyler.
May
Pag-grade.
nagtatanong sa comment section.
Ay,
Pag-great daw.
Hello, I always Dave. Sana masarap ulam mo ngayon.
Oh!
May nagtanong kanina kay VJ.
What?
Ano din top song natin sa Spotify Rap?
What's your top song?
My top song is Jebel Jebel Jebel.
Jebel,
Jebel?
Please, please, please.
Jebel Jebel
Ah.
Please.
For some reason, it's
Please.
Jebel Jebel Jebel.
Please by Sabrina Carpenter.
Yes.
Ikaw, ay alam ko yung kay Giro.
Ano yun?
Grant Perez.
Grant Perez.
No, it's not.
It's not?
It's my top artist. Wait, I
Ah,
forgot
top
my
artist.
Oh guys, di ako
Kasi yung top artist ko, pati top
Meron
song
lang
ko
ako
is...
eh.
Top artist. Top
My top
artist.
song is favorite
Favorite song?
by Delarias and Marshall.
Guys, top artist ko talaga pinakamalapit. I can't even say it anymore. I can't even say it.
Isasabihin niya yan in 10 years.
In 10 years, sasabihin ko yung top artist ko nung 2024.
2024.
Okay?
Wala.
2034.
It's
sasabihin ko.
talaga eh. Horizon!
Yes!
Nasa Spotify rap ko ang Horizon.
True.
Kasi ganito guys. Ginagamit kasi yung yung
iPad.
Yung yeah.
Tapos,
Tapos, siya yung ginagamit namin pang practice. Kaya yun yung ginagamit.
pang practice. Kasi, kaya minsan nakikita ko nga yung mga tweet ng actors, nakikita nila yung yung...
Yeah.
Kaya...
Shout out from Saudi!
Shout out po!
Salvi, shout out.
Hindi, from Saudi.
Ay, from Saudi.
Galing siya Saudi.
Saudi Arabia.
Nasa Saudi.
Kala mo kayo yung pangalan.
Yung iba, top out.
Top artist ko kayo.
Top artist.
Top out.
Daw tayo.
Top out.
Horizon.
Sino top artist ang Horizon? Bibigyan namin ng
Free JBL.
ng hampas. Joke. Lovely hampas. Very massage ganito. Gamit ang JBL.
Kim, bakit ang cute mo?
Kinilig ka naman siya.
Kinilig siya na.
Lagi akong kinikilig.
Gamit ang kanya. Ang lakas pa nung sa'yo.
Hindi, bago lang yan. Feel ko mabubuhay ka talaga nito.
Yeah.
And hindi nyo ata kailangan to.
Nung concert, di ba ginamit mo din?
Oo.
Ako din.
Baka in case lang, kailangan nyo.
It's very helpful for breathing.
Yeah.
Baka kailangan nyo ng mga ganito din for JBL Soundfest actually.
Kasi marami yan.
Kim,
Kahit
ka
feel
na
ko
ba?
kahit maulan yun, mainit pa rin kasi maraming tao.
Top 216. Cute! Thank you.
Wow!
Kapre.
Horizon.
Labi-dabi top song.
Thank
Hey,
you.
labi-dabi!
Yan yung
Guys,
pinakamalakas.
yun yung pinaka-favorite ko sa
Oh wait,
namin.
let's starting from now, let's speak in English for our international.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
let's go.
International English
So
mode
guys,
activate.
what is
Sige,
your-
ako lang yung taga-translate sa Tagalog kasi kawawa.
Oh!
Yes,
Okay, this is fun. Okay.
Yeah, I'm super excited for the Soundfest 2024 because
You're like,
we've been preparing and there's just many things they can look out for.
So, sa Sunfest daw, marami kayong ano ulit? Kasi nag-prepare kami na maraming magaganap.
Yeah.
Di ba tama?
more, ano pa? The
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, yeah, like the gates will open at 3:30 p.m. on December 14. You guys can buy tickets until 12 noon of the same day. So it's
Wow.
recommended you buy before that day.
Fighting Kim.
Let's go,
So,
King!
sa 3 p.m. magsisimula yung ticket. Ay! Wait.
Wait. Try it.
Mas bubukas ang
Try it.
ang gate.
Yung gate lang.
3:30.
Yun. PM yan ha, PM. Hindi yan AM.
DAM.
So, ano pa?
Ay, yung pangalawa yung
Yeah, and then you can buy your tickets until 12 noon
Yeah.
the same day. Only.
So, you can buy. Makabili ka daw ng hanggang 12 p.m. ng ticket sa 12 p.m. noon.
Oh.
One more time.
Napapagod na yung translator natin.
Napapagod na yung utak niya, pero
Okay, let's
go
give
pa.
him a break.
Ikaw, Jiro, ano pang masasabi mo in English?
English.
Si Kim naman bahala sa'yo eh.
It will be so much fun. And
So, wait, dyan. Cut.
Dapat putol.
So, maraming daw anong fan ng Tagalog? Masaya, maraming masaya na
How about you,
magagawa.
translate to your, talaga, dialect?
Oh, yeah.
So,
that's a great idea.
Bacolod, di ba?
Bacolod.
Wait lang.
But like, how about
Sabaw na
you?
talaga ako. Wait lang.
No, Tagalog first and then after.
Kaya-
Oh, sige, Tagalog.
Okay,
Ay,
it'll be so much fun because we practice a lot and we make it like super fun. We make so much fun performances, so I hope you all go to our Songfest
Our Soundfest, grabe. Inangkin! Grabe naman, hindi naman natin yung Soundfest. Sa DBL.
Pero dapat tayo yung
We're part of it. So yeah, we're part of it.
So,
Our Soundfest.
so kailangan nyo daw pumunta kasi maraming magandang magaganap, kasiyahan, kasi nag-practice talaga kami ng mabuti.
Okay, baka lang to. Baka lang.
How about in
So dapat,
Korean?
naging nga makadto ka mo, kaya ginhandaan ginanamon yan.
Wow!
Korean.
Some people said you should translate it in Korean.
Okay, Korean.
Kamsahamnida.
Wait ako, subok.
Okay, sabok. Hebo.
우리는
Oo.
Sunfest
Festival ka.
페스티벌가
Sigori.
너무 좋아.
Yes.
너무 좋아.
너무 재미있게 만들었어.
네.
Yeah. 네.
너무 재밌어.
Yeah.
근데
신하게
연습 많이
많이 했어요.
했어. 네, 맞아요.
예.
Ano naman?
Naging language lesson na.
Ano, Bisaya naman.
Waray.
Paano mo sasabihin ang
Dare to listen.
There also will be raffle prizes available. So sana sumali sila sa raffle and sa sa
Yes,
Soundfest
true.
kasi marami silang perks ganun. Maraming bonus ganun prize.
Okay.
Yeah.
Magkakamay daliwa trapol. Ano siya? Pakadto ka mga amon. As JBL Fest. Yes.
Yes.
Wow!
Hindi, ang hirap.
Ay, alam mo ang daming nagulat nung nagbisaya si Rayster. Kailangan natin siya ipabisaya.
Ulan! Sa dalawa sila kanala sa dalawa.
Wait lang.
Anong-
Pwede mong sabihin ano ba yung mga sinulat ko?
Ow!
Ay!
Na merong may pagkain, tapos may pagcha-charge ng cellphone, gano'n. Tapos may mga activities pang iba.
Na ay mga food.
Na ay mga pagkaon.
Na ay mga pagkaon.
Handa.
O charjang.
Charge.
Hindi ko alam.
Ay, mahirap pala yun.
Sapsapan.
Sige, invite mo na lang sila in Bisaya.
Bisaya.
Hindi.
Baka di ka
Sabihin mo na lang, ulat!
Hulat mo, adto mo sa JBL.
Oh.
Ano yung sayo?
Wait.
Wait
Wait lang.
They don't mahal you like I mahal you.
Wow.
They don't mahal
And
you.
sa'yo, Winston?
Wait lang. Ano?
Oh, hindi na mo wait
Tagalog?
lang. Di yan, wait lang. Waray.
Wala yung sa'yo.
Wait, sabihin mo nga ulit.
Wait lang, they don't mahal you like I mahal you.
Ayaw anay, diri ka nila sugad mahal katulad. Sugad ita ako.
Oh yeah, right.
Right, that's what
Diri ka ni
Anay?
Diri ka nira.
Diri ka nira.
Diri ka nira gugma sugad ita ako.
Dili ka nila
Anay.
mahal gugma.
Bakit pag nagsasalita yung mga waray, parang nagra-rap sila?
Mabilis sila.
Mabilis talaga.
Mabilis talaga magsalita.
Feeling ko maraming magaling na rapper sa
Main rappers.
mga, yeah.
So,
Tapos yung mga Ilonggo sobrang slow.
slow lang, tsaka malumanay.
Mahal.
Tuod bala.
Tuod ba?
Nag-sound ka na?
Kahit mag-aaway, no? Kahit mag-aaway.
Sige, hagid bala ng tak-angid ko si Muya karon. Sige, hagid bala.
Oh,
Baluga mo bala?
Sige,
Ah.
ang galing. Amazing.
Wala ka nakabalong inasumbag ka naglit sa likod.
Ayaw!
Sumbagot ka ron.
Sinturo.
I love to run.
I love to run.
I don't love lumpia.
Wait?
I
What?
don't like lumpia.
Guys,
wow.
what's your favorite type of isda?
Isda?
Ako, fried bangus. Na
Fried tilapia.
Fried tilapia.
Inihaw na bangus.
Iriliano
Ay!
bangus.
Inihaw na bangus pala.
Oh, same kami ni Vinci.
Yeah.
Ako iriliano.
Guys, ako wala akong
Bangus,
paboritong isda.
Si
Kundi
Finding
yung
Nemo.
lang. Si Finding Nemo.
Oh! Gusto mo.
Pero guys, tilapia is the best. Pritong tilapia.
Yung sa akin ata yung flying fish.
Social
Yun yung
salmon.
masarap yun. Kapag marinated.
Flying.
Kasi parang siyang may, yung, parang mahaba yung, ano niya,
Wings?
yung wings.
Yeah,
Yeah,
fins.
Tapos masarap yun.
So mukha siyang wings. Kaya,
Pati dalagang bukid masarap din.
Tapos yung goldfish, ay joke na. Goldfish.
Bagong tigaw.
Kinunot?
guys, by the way, SM MOA Concert Grounds. We will see you there.
Yeah.
Not more.
Namo Arena.
Oh, it would be good though. Because,
Yeah.
Tigbas.
We just did Maori.
yeah, we've been there quite a few
Yeah.
times.
Yes. Agree.
So yeah, we are so excited to end the year with you guys. Because this is also going to be like a year ender. Kasi December na naman, right? So
Yeah.
it's like a final performance. Wow, final performance. Hindi naman.
What?
But a performance for all you guys. Na you guys will enjoy. For the holidays. Baunin nyo ang aming energy for the holidays. Diba?
Yes.
Tama.
Tama.
You agree? I'm agree with you, Richie. I'm agree with you.
Guys, also during the Soundfest, there will be giveaways of our photo cards.
Oh
yes! So,
Abangan nyo yan.
and of course, I know you guys are gonna be looking out for our photo cards, so stay tuned for that and collect all 7 of us.
Yes.
Good luck.
And all our anchors, please keep the paglilinisin ulit natin sila. Dapat malinis ang MOA Concert Grounds after.
Yes.
So maglinis tayo lahat. Wala dapat mahulog na photo card.
Yeah, tulungan namin kayo.
Yeah, and guys, ingat din sa mga gamit nyo, guys.
Yes.
Don't lose your stuff. Make it a happy night to remember. And really a festival that you guys will remember for a long time.
Yes, sir.
A memorable day with Horizon and JBL and a lot of other artists.
At pwede din sila kumuha ng confetti after mag-shoot. Diba?
Oh.
Para malinis.
Iuwi na lang.
Grabe naman.
I-display nila. So yeah. See you there and we're so excited to see you guys there
Yeah.
and perform for you guys. Do you have any last messages you want to say?
Jeremy's TMI is he bought his hat
Back in Korea. Before we go
yeah,
back.
before
we go here.
Yeah.
Oh, asa
It was
sa
like
may salon natin.
Yeah, like it was really last second. Like he was just like, okay guys, I'll be back, and then he came back with a new hat.
Yeah, because he went the day before, but it was already closed when he went to the
Yeah.
store.
Yeah, and do you know when we were at the airport, he was like thinking to buy like just really expensive glasses. Like how much
Oh.
was it?
15.
Yeah,
around 16.
something like I was like, no way you can buy, you're gonna buy that.
Sana all.
Yeah, same. Mapapasa.
That's why we all just get sound gear frames.
That's why get sound gear frames.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
Not only you get glasses, you get
But you get
the
new
sound.
All products.
Not only the frames. but also
Waterproof din siya.
Okay.
Someone said here, yung ano daw, yung labubo ko daw nasa. Actually guys, nandun siya sa kwarto ko. Katabi ko siya matulog.
Ano pinapakain mo sa Pinapakain mo?
Sinishare ko siya ng
Oo, pinapakain
french
yun. Di
fries.
ba pinapakain yun?
Nagigising siya tuwing gabi.
Pinapakain yun.
Pagka kumakain, pag pinakain, like, it makes a sound.
Oo, bigla, tapos gagat siya.
Pero baka may demonyo na yun.
Hindi!
Hindi.
Kasi yung labubo,
Gumagalaw
parang,
talaga.
di ba pag pakakainin mo, parang kikilitiin mo.
Oo,
Parang
tapos
gagawin
biglang
mo. Tapos
bubuka na yung
gagawin mo, tapos pagkalagyan mo, ano pinapakain mo?
French fries.
Diba yun?
Grabe, tataba yun!
Real talk yan?
Oo!
Maniwala sa
I
inyo.
mean, may pinapakain din ako sa kanyang cereal, ganun.
Bawal yung malaki.
Bawal yung malaki. Konti
Pwede
lang.
yung mga nuts.
Hindi ko nga alam kung paano yun nilalabas yun eh. Nag-ano ba? Nagre-release ba siya?
Gumaga nga siya eh.
Pero paano pag hindi mo napakain tapos katabi mo tulog,
Ikaw
ikaw
kinain.
yung kakainin.
Ay, pusa!
Actually guys,
Ayoko na.
mabait si Hehe. Hehe yung pangalan niya.
Si Hehe. Alam ko si Hehe kasi hindi siya nangangain ng tao.
Cute siya.
Oh, hindi siya nangangain. Hindi siya nangangain.
Yung ibang ano lang, labubo guys.
Yeah.
Pero ganun yung mga labo. Hindi ba alam?
Tuwing gabi talaga nagigising yun. Pagtulog na kayo.
At least may katabi ka, no?
Tuwing
Ano ba yung mga
3
pangalan pa nila? Si Hehe.
Si Hehe, si Baba, tapos nakalimutan ko yung ibang
Ay, try kaya natin lagyan ng labubo tong JBL.
Sige, try ko naman magkaroon ng labubo.
Pakainin mo.
Actually
Ano
guys,
papakain mo sa labubo?
yung dalawa yung hinahanap ko, like si Baba tsaka si Hehe. At masaya lang ako kasi nakuha ko na si Hehe.
It's possible. Well, this is not Labubu, but I think it's possible to like put charms in it.
Si Baba na lang yung tulad ko.
Saan yung mabibili yung labubo?
Sa
Sa Korea lang?
Hindi. Meron pa din sa Korea.
Pwede rin here. Lalo naman dito.
Mahirap yata bumili.
Kasi exclusive yun, pre.
Sayang. Pero grabe, no?
Wait, may tanong ako sa inyo guys. Anong gusto nyong regalo sa Pasko?
Wow, bibili kayo si anong bahala.
Anong gusto
Sagot
nyo?
na daw ni Kuya
sagot ni
Kyler.
Kyler.
So, lagay niyo dyan mga,
Collector ng Labubu.
TV.
Gusto daw nila ng JBL Horizon 2.
JBL Horizon.
I want a JBL Horizon 2 too.
Ano kaya pinag-uusapan nila Jiren?
Lagi nga sila nagbubulungan, lagi silang hindi namin alam kung sinasabi. Ano sabi mo?
Labubu. Labubu.
Tingin man.
Oh! It's possible.
Wow, it's cute.
Ang galing.
Oo nga, no, pwede
Pagka
ko
nakita-
Pero matatamaan ang mukha mo.
Okay lang yun.
Design yan. Dito na magkabilaan eh.
Ooh!
Pero may kasamang sampalan sa mukha ko ah.
Ay,
Wow!
It's
May nagsabi si Vinci dahil gusto niya sa Pasko niya.
Wait,
Bawal.
nag-jebal pa siya.
Bawal.
Nag-jebal pa siya.
Gagawin mo ba akong labubu? Hindi ako kumakain.
O, sabihin mo thank you
French
po.
fries. Thank you po!
Nagsabay pa. Ang galing.
Lang saya. Parang gusto ko itong...
Baka nahikaw mo ah.
Kaya nga kasi wala akong butas ng tenga. So baka ito na
Bagay.
yung gawin kong earrings.
Dalawa.
Guys, do this.
But like, me and Kevin want to like pabutas, di ba? Like,
Ayo! Di ba nasabi mo sa akin yun? Joke lang.
But like,
Sige, patay ka sa mami mo.
Patay ka talaga.
alam niya?
Tita!
Wait!
Kasi kaya gusto magpabutas sa tenga, may butas sa tenga eh. May butas sa mga tenga mo.
Nagsubok sa
Dalawa.
kasi. Alam mo, kaya i-end na natin. Bye! We're like, ano?
Ay, may hila sila! Hey!
Ganito tayo ka.
Little monkeys!
Happy
Dumpty!
Mama ko
The doctor and the doctor said, pagbilang ko 3, makatago na kayo.
I wanna be a
To be a good kill star.
How di ka mo di ba tuti?
Grabe.
Last na, Christmas song. Si, ano ka? Wait.
Last Christmas, I gave you my
Alam ko na.
Mistletoe
Christmas song yan?
is the most beautiful.
Ah! Tama.
Whenever I see girls and boys in the lantern on TV, I remember the child, and the child remembers me. Whenever I see boys and girls in the lantern on the screen, I remember the Christmas and the beauty from the heart. Let's light our Christmas tree, and the Christmas trees will light up.
Guys, wala na mo.
Wala pa po kasi kaming kain.
Yeah. Pero Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat, guys.
Yes, Merry Christmas!
Happy New Year!
Bye!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Kita sa December 14. December 14.
POV
kita
na
tayo.
yun ang na-flash. POV lang na-flash.
Na-flash sa toilet.
Bye!
See you on December 14!
Ngam, 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 ngam.